Hey everyone, welcome back to Upcycling project videos. Today, we have an exciting project in store for you. We'll be transforming this old and tired dining table into a charming rustic farmhouse centerpiece. Let's get started. Prep work. Before we begin, make sure you have all your tools and materials ready. You'll need sandpaper, primer, paint, choose your favorite farmhouse color, paintbrushes, painter's tape, a cloth, and new hardware if desired. Start by sanding down the entire table to remove any old finish or rough spots. This will help the new paint adhere better and give us a smooth surface. Priming the table. Apply a coat of primer to the entire table. This will create a solid base for the paint and ensure even coverage. Painting. Now it's time for the fun part, painting. Use long, even strokes to apply your chosen paint color. We're going for that rustic farmhouse look, so don't worry about perfect coverage. Distressing. To achieve that charming weathered look, gently sand the edges and corners of the table where natural wear would occur. This will expose some of the wood underneath and give it character. Sealing. Once you're satisfied with the distressed look, it's time to seal the paint. Apply a clear polyurethane finish to protect the table and give it a nice sheen. Hardware upgrade. For an extra touch, consider upgrading the table's hardware. We're adding these new farmhouse-style drawer pulls to enhance the overall look. And there you have it, your transformed rustic farmhouse table. It's amazing how a little paint and love can completely change the vibe of a piece. Thanks for joining us on this furniture makeover journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more DIY projects, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own transformations, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!